If you work in Lucidchart, one of the fastest ways to clean up your diagrams is by grouping objects. Grouping lets you move, resize, and format multiple shapes as one unit, which is incredibly helpful when you're building flowcharts, org charts, wireframes, or any diagram with a lot of connected elements. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to group objects in Lucidchart step by step, and if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. First, open your Lucidchart document and find the objects you want to group together. These can be shapes, text boxes, icons, or any other elements on the canvas. The goal here is to select everything that should behave as one unit. If the objects are close together, the easiest method is to click and drag your mouse to draw a selection box around them. As you drag across the canvas, Lucidchart will highlight every item inside that box. If your objects are spread out a bit more, you can also hold Shift on your keyboard and click each object one by one to add them to your selection. Once your objects are selected, take a quick moment to make sure you have everything you need. This is important because if you accidentally leave one shape out, it won't move with the rest of the group later. A good habit is to zoom in if necessary and confirm that all related pieces are highlighted together. That way, you avoid having to ungroup and regroup later. Now that your objects are selected, right-click on any one of the highlighted elements. This will open the context menu with a list of available actions. In that menu, look for the Group option. Click Group, and Lucidchart will instantly combine the selected objects into a single grouped element. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac to group the selected items even faster. After grouping, try clicking and dragging the new group to see how it behaves. You'll notice that all the objects move together as one, which makes repositioning your diagram much easier. You can also resize the group as a whole, which helps keep spacing and alignment consistent. This is especially useful when you want to duplicate sections, organize complex layouts, or make quick edits without disturbing the rest of your design. If you ever need to make changes to an item inside the group, Lucidchart also gives you ways to work with the grouped elements without starting over. You can ungroup them later if needed, or select the group and edit its contents depending on what you want to change. But for everyday diagram editing, grouping is one of the best time-saving tools available. So to recap, the process is simple. Select the objects, right-click, and choose Group, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+G or Command+G. That's all it takes to turn separate elements into one easy-to-manage unit in Lucidchart. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Lucidchart tips, and I'll see you in the next one.